Welcome back to Harry's Tech, everyone. Today we're going to start off with the Note 20 Ultra's comparison on 50 times zoom to the S21 Ultra's 50 times zoom. Here you see the Note 20 Ultra 50 times zoom, and it's relatively blurry, slightly odd colour, and it doesn't look great. But here you can see the amazing and much better quality of the S21 Ultra zoom at 50 times. The colour looks better, there's more detail, and this is an early picture on early software, so it'll probably be better when it's released. But yeah, it looks great. Anyway, we go on to the early Exynos benchmark scores, and they were getting 3,388 in multi-core, and then managed to get a maximum of 3,617 on multi-core. And now Ice Universe has posted more recent scores, making it for the first time in years Exynos beating Snapdragon, and the multi-core score here is obviously 3,963, which is amazing. The Snapdragon only managed to get 8,800, and this isn't even the final score. There's still weeks to go till the launch, and Ice Universe predicts it'll get past 4,100, which is first on any chip in in a phone, and it's absolutely amazing. And finally, the price of the S21 series. Right now, the S21 will be at £799 or $899, and the S21 Plus will be at £899, and the S21 Ultra will be at 1,499 Australian dollars apparently, which will probably be around about £1,199. So yeah, there we have it for this video. If you did like, please subscribe, leave a like, and stick around for future content on smartphones, and I'll see you in the next one.